At the end of last year, there were warnings that Africa could lose 1/5 of its elephants if the poaching crisis wasn't stopped over the next 10 years. My work in the European Parliament is very varied, but wildlife crime is part of the work. And last week, in the full Parliament debate in Strasbourg, we passed a resolution on wildlife crime. We called for a special unit to be set up in Europol to make sure that this crime is stopped. Now, you might think that it affects Africa and other hot countries, but actually it affects us in Wales too. We have specially trained police in Wales to deal with wildlife crime. And I'm sure that everyone's aware of the need to ban imports of things like tusks and other products of animals, where those animals are actually in danger of being wiped out. We all believe in biodiversity. We all want to see a planet which preserves all of its species. And so it's important that all of us are aware of what we need to do as well. I hope that the resolution that we passed in Parliament last week is going to help to do that.